You didn't even know what they are.
They're grapes.
You know, a lady thought they were tomatoes.
Really? They look like cherry tomatoes.
Yeah, we were in line and she said, "Are those tomatoes?" I said, "No, they're grapes." She's like, "Okay, so these are the Muscadine bronze grapes."
We used to have a bush in a neighborhood.
They had those on it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man. Y'all just had food laying around all over the place.
We certainly did. We had cherries and peaches and plums and, oh my goodness. I bought some of those and I took them down to one of the family reunions that we had. And Steve just went crazy. He just ate and ate. Oh, these are so good. But your Uncle David, he never liked them.
He did?
No.
So that means I probably won't like them.
Oh, come on. Still good.
Okay.
It's like the old days.
Like the old days?
Oh, yeah.
What would you give it?
A 10. What?
So that means I'm going to give it probably a 7. The real taste test.
Yeah. There used to be a...
Real tough seeds. I mean, skin. Real tough skin. Give it a 10. What's up, Reedy? You can have grapes. A lot of seeds. But we prefer seed grapes than seedless, right?
Right.
Because seedless is GMO. I'm going to give it a 9. And that's because of the skin. This is some real tough skin. Wow. Hey, you can't have this. Stop begging. This dog is greedy. It's just like anytime he see you put something in your mouth, he's like, what about me? Okay, if I saw these in the store again, yes, I will buy them. But only on payday. Because these are very expensive.
They are.
I think they were like, yeah, they're like 4 something. And it's only 20 ounces. You know what though? The crazy part of me would be just to plant these, just throw all of them in the dirt and just let them run wild. All right, I'm gonna see if I can grow these. If you can afford it, this would be some nice juice.
Daddy would make wine.
Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah.
Let me find out.
Yeah. He used to
Sell it.
peach wine.
Illegal. Peach?
No, he would sell it to his friends. He didn't drink, but he would sell it.
Grapes waiting on you.
Grapes.
Silly.
Okay, what is it? It's a grape.
A golden muscadine, girl. A bronze muscadine. Have you had this before?
Bronze Muscadine. Muscadine. No.
Muscadine.
No.
So you don't have.
I never saw this kind of grapes. Okay, let's test.
And she eat the seeds.
Oh yeah?
No.
What?
He wants to save the seeds.
But she's eating them. Who eats the seeds?
Brazilian people eat the seeds.
You can eat the seeds.
I like it. Yeah, the taste is great. I like it.
But
Different
sweet?
type of grapes.
Sweet. Yeah. A little sour in the end.
It's a skin. What's your number?
My number 9.
See? Told you. Why did you give it a 9?
First of all, because I love grapes.
Okay. Well, 1 out of 10.
Because the skin.
Told you. Skin is too tough. Other than that, it would get a 10. This is good. That's a good grape.
Yeah,
It
but
is, yeah.
because the skin, but it's a little.
Dainty.
Detail. Detalhe. Pequeno detalhes. A little detail. D-E-T-A-I-L-S. Details.
Details?
Yeah.
Details is just a list of specifics.
In Brazil, details is different.
Okay.
Detalhe is just it's just a point, a little point.
Okay.
Doesn't matter. Wow, it's not a big deal. This is not a big deal. I like it.
So I know who's gonna be eating them all.
All
Alright, so there you have it. 9, 9, and a 10.
Yeah. Really?